Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to promote Jvzoo product without a website. Yes guys, and it's going to be a step-by-step guide for beginners, and if you stick with me to the end of this very video, I'm going to share with you a script that you can literally use with one of the bonus traffic source that I'm going to show you in this video. Yes guys, so guys, if you are new to this channel, in this channel I talked about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, freelancing tips and tricks. So if you think these are topics that you are interested in, you may consider clicking the subscribe button, tick the bell icon so that you get notified by YouTube each time I drop a new video. I publish video in this channel each and every day. So without further ado, let's get right into the video of the day. Yes, so guys, here I am inside the Jvzoo. I assume you know what Jvzoo is all about. You've actually know of course what Jvzoo is all about, and for those of you that are new, they don't brand new, they don't know what Jvzoo is all about. Jvzoo is actually a marketplace for most of digital product that you can literally go there, pick one or two product and promote and make some money, or place and also it is a place where marketers go and find some product for and buy for themselves, of course. So guys, literally just to go straight away to the what we are here for, because I don't want this video to take long. It's actually easy to do. That's why I said it from the beginning. This is actually for beginners tutorial, how to promote Jvzoo product without a website for beginners. Yes guys, so guys, all you have to do once you are inside your Jvzoo account, click on this that says affiliate. You're gonna find, for example, me, that I've applied for some product from product, of course. Yes, product. So I'm gonna click approve product, so it's gonna take me to product that I'm already approved, which we are going to be using in this campaign. So let's just wait for it to load up. Remove this. So let me just go down. The essence of this story is just I just want to pick any link so that we'll get to where the main reason for the video. Yes, so let me just see. I took this this product link, so let me just copy the link. So once I copy the link, this is where it will all you have to do, the next thing to do, is go to a website called linktree.ee. linktree.ee guys, linktree.ee. So click on enter. So what linktree.ee is actually a website that you can that will serve as a bridge page for you between your traffic source and the offer page or product page in that matter. Yes, so literally you can use the links from this website and promote it on various social network, on various platforms, either paid or free traffic sources, without getting banned, without getting your link or account get shut down. Yes, so all you have to do, it is literally free. Don't just freak out, because let me just show you the pricing and the free plan. And one beauty part of this linktree.ee is that you actually have the potential of having unlimited links. So as you can see, links and button for pro, that is $6 per month, free $0, I mean. So as you can see, unlimited links, it is checked. So literally you can have unlimited links of your affiliate links, of course, in this particular host, in this particular website, and be promoting the link on various social platforms. Whenever you get the money, then you can invest in the pro plan or use any of the landing page you've been hearing people talking about on YouTube, the ClickFunnels, and the rest of them, and the likes of them, of course. So once, in order to create this landing page, all you have to, let me just log into my account and show you some examples of what I did. So as you can see, this is image of mine, which is one of of course the image of my YouTube channel, as you can see. So it is me, I'm using this, that's why I'm showing it to you. Yes, so in order to do that, as you can see, I have this one. I'm promoting this particular product, John Christiani's super affiliate system product, and I'm also promoting his ebook, of course. So these are all DG store product. Yes, because I'm from Nigeria and Clickbank has restricted us from promoting accessing their platform. So that's why I don't want to go to the black hat way. I'm always transparent. I don't want to do anything that will implicate me in the later on, where I will promote a product, get the money, spend money on ads and get the money, and the money will not be sent to me because I've violated their privacy policy. So I don't want that. I go to Jvzoo and have my account open. That's why I was able to promote John Christiani's product, because I was super passionate about this particular product. So all you have to do, just a little bit distract there. So the next thing you want to do, once you have your link, you want to click something, you want to click here that says add new link. So click on that. So we have copied our link. All you have to do, just come here, I say this URL sign, so paste in your link. So the next thing to do is to give your link a title. You may give it the title of that particular product. So let's just check on this product. This product is the name of the product, Voice Beauty Pro. So let me just go back, Voice Beauty Pro. So let me just say Voice Beauty Pro. So that's the name of the offer, because I may have a bunch of them. So all you have to do, just don't do anything, just click on enter from your screen. So as you can see here, it's populating, it's popular. So look at it here, guys, look at it here, look at it. So the next thing to do is just to copy the link. Once you copy the link, let me just open it in a new tab and paste it, so that I'll be sure that I have, yes, the landing page is okay, is good. So as you can see, I have it here, Voice Video Pro, Skillexa, this super affiliate system, this John Christiani's ebook guide. So let me just click on that. So let's just wait for it to load up and see. So it's taking our time, of course. Okay, so let's just wait for it, because we want to confirm that if actually it is working. So as you can see, this is the landing page, and this is that. And in order to check whether this product is yours, so click on get order. So once you click on get order, click on buy now. Don't worry, we are not going to buy it. I just want to show you something also. Whatever you want to promote campaign, so be sure to check that out whenever you do some little trick on your, as you can see, they say all fraud will be prosecuted. Your IP is this. You have been referred by Jvzoo Abdullahi, of course, as you can see, which is me, of course. So I've checked that out. That link is okay. It is my link. Whenever somebody clicks on that, it's gonna be redirected to that particular landing page, and that whenever a sale is made, it's gonna be I'm gonna get my commission. So guys, that's how you create, that's how you promote a Jvzoo product without a website, without any habit to host any landing page or something like that. This is just free. It is literally free. You can do it. You can start as a just new into the into Jvzoo as an affiliate, of course, guys. So guys, that's what I have for you. The first step, I say, pick up your link from Jvzoo. Of course, you know what Jvzoo is all about. Come to linktree.com, register an account with them. Then once you register an account, you're gonna have a dashboard like this where it says links and appearance. You can just come and set some settings out. As you can see here, appearance, I can change the color of this thing, change it to something else. So click on add link, click on that link, label that link, because if you didn't label it, it's not going to show in this particular area. Once you have that, click from the top right corner, click on copy, then you can start promoting. And as for the bonus that I said, I'm going to show you one traffic source before and also the script that you are going to be using. So the traffic source is Twitter, of course, guys, and the traffic source is Twitter. So let me just go back home. So I want to assume that the product we are the product that we are going to be promoting is of course traffic. As you can see, I have made some search here. So let me just click on that. So click on that. I'm assuming the product we are promoting now is traffic. So all you have to do, put on this hash, then write need traffic, then another hash, then click on search. It's going to give you something like this. So you want to go to where it says people, click on people. So you say all you need to know about whether from this, manage this and that. Element, look for new website, upgrade an existing website, new website, need traffic or lead. You've reached your destination. So this guy is providing service, is providing traffic service to people. Everything you need, more traffic leads, customer, this one too, let me just go down. Need free or low cost traffic. Here is how to get it. Without traffic, a terrible thing happens, nothing. So as you can see, these people are actually they are actually not the main people we are trying to target, but we can also target these people too, yes, by recommending them this particular software, because this software it's gonna make their work easier, yes, because it is literally automated this and that. You want to have the big picture of the particular product you are producing. You can go to the JV page, read about the product, so that you get an insight of what to tell your prospect. Yes, so all you have to do, click on this guy. Maybe for example, I found this guy, maybe he's rendering service, or I saw that he made a tweet that he's looking for how to get traffic. So either of the way, guys, so all you have to do is just use my script here, and I will link it in the comment in the description box below. And I forgot to do it, just comment on the comment section so that I'll upload it to my description, so that you can copy it and use it, or change some little things on it. Say hi, you put in the name. Then I saw that you are in need of good and quality traffic. That's in the case here, in the case of if somebody that you saw tweeted that he's looking for traffic. But if he's providing service, you can see, hi, I saw that you are a traffic you provide traffic services to people, and I have one software / product with me which has been a help for me since the time I came across it. I think it may be of help to you in terms of your time and delivery of your service to your customer. Here is the link if you want to check it out. Then you can just put in the link to your link tree. So all you have to do, once you have that, copy that, then go back to Twitter. As you can see, this is this guys. Let's see how long it takes to get followers. So this literally the first person we actually this thing. So let me just go back and do one thing, because you want to comment the guy. So click on him. So let me just use this one. So as you can see, this guy has about a lot of followers following. He's only following 37, so his followers probably they are in need of traffic. So you can target both his followers and himself. So all you have to do is just click on here. So find one of his posts that he has made, get 2 times. This one is not something like that. So all you have to do, well, just scroll down and find one of his tweets that he talked about traffic. The next thing you want to do is to click on the like button. Once you like it, then click on the message icon. Once you click on the message icon, Twitter will present you with something like that. Then click on the whole of this text, copy the whole of it. Once you copy it, then come back to Twitter and paste it. So you paste it, then you can literally send the reply to him. So once you send the reply to him, you will do this thing as much as you can, guys, but don't just do it at once, because Twitter may notice that you are just trying to spam people. So you can literally do like in any distance of 10 minutes, you can be messaging people. And another traffic also, you can target his followers. Click on followers. So click on followers. So all you have to do, you can come and be messaging them one after the other. You can be opening them in a new tab. Of course, you can be opening them in a new tab. So you can do at least 200 people a day, guys. You're gonna get the traffic, you're gonna make the sales that you are trying to make. Although I know this video has taken long, because I was trying to show you a traffic which is not the main aspect of the video, guys. So guys, if you like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe to my channel, tick the bell icon so that you get notified each time I drop a new video like this, guys. So see you in the next video. Peace.